Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. My dear students, let's begin our day in a positive way, in a thoughtful way. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. Read these two lines properly. Success, but is achieved, not only achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying, who always try to learn something new, who cannot stop their journey of success by finding some changes or ups and downs. They keep try and try hard, as it is the only option to maintain your achieved success. Get ready everyone. Take the book, pencil, all essential stuff so that you all can write with me now. As you all know that after finishing FA4 exams, since some lectures we are making a revision of chapter number 7. Now all of you start writing. Write the heading chapter 7 SUBTRACTING, subtracting. GREATER, greater. NUMBERS, numbers. Chapter 7, subtracting greater numbers. Make sure that your handwritings must be good, huh? Now I hope you all have improved your handwriting. Learning objectives for chapter 7 are counting back to subtract, addition facts, subtracting one digit from two-digit number, subtraction using number strip, double-digit subtraction, problem solving. Learning objectives for today are revision of previous lecture, exercise 7A, and if we get sometime we will learn and write table of 6 also. Here we are going to start. So now you all becomes ready for writing work. In the story of the thirsty crow, there were 35 stones on the ground. The thirsty crow picked 13 stones and put them in the jug. The water rose and he was able to drink it. How many stones were left on the ground? As we have to find out the leftover stones, we have to make subtraction here. Write the numbers in their correct places. First, subtract the ones. 35 minus 13. Here you can see the image of a stones. So first we have to make subtraction of ones place. That is 5 minus 3. We get 2. At ones place there presents 5 minus 3. Then subtract the ones. 3 minus 1 we get 2. So we can say that there left 22 stones on the ground after the crow picked up and put 13 stones in the jug. Now everyone write the heading EXERCISE, exercise 7A. Exercise 7A. Make sure that your handwritings must be good, and yes, of course, leave one line. Number 1, SOLVE, solve. Now leave one line and then write sum number A. $79 minus 4. 79 minus 4. Make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. I hope everyone has completed. Now, first solve the ones column. See which numbers are there at ones place. 9 minus 4. What will be the answer? 9 minus 4, we get 5. Nine minus 4, we get 5. Now, let's solve tens column. That is 7 minus 0. So, 7 minus 0, we get 7. I am going to repeat the sum again. 7, 9, 79 minus 4, we get 7, 5, 75. I hope everyone has completed the sum. Now move towards next sum. Sum number B. 86 minus 3. 86 minus 3. While you are writing, make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. First, solve the ones column. There is 6 minus 3. So, 6 minus 3, we get number 3. Write down 3. Move towards tens column. There is 8 minus 0. So, as you all know that when we are going to subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number as an answer. Here we get 8. 86 minus 3, we get 83. So, is everyone completed? Very good. Now, leave some space and write the next sum. Sum number C. Sum number C. Let us see what you have to write there. 5, 55 minus 4. So, what will be the answer here? First, let's solve the ones place. There is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, we get 1. Write down 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 0, we get 5. 55 minus 4, we get 51. Leave some space and write some number D. 98 minus 5. Look, my dear students, here we are going to make subtraction of single digit number from double digit number. So whenever we are going to solve the sums like this, we have to write the single digit number at ones place only. We should not write it on tens place. Always write it at ones place. In one box write 9, another box 8, as we all are using square line book. Minus sign and write number 5 at ones place just below number 8. First of all, let's solve the ones column, that is 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, we get 3. Write down number 3. Now 9 minus 0, we get 9. I am waiting so that you all can copy it. "98 minus 5, we get 93. Write some number E. 89 minus 8. 89 minus 8. First solve ones column, that is 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8, we get 1. Write down the answer. Now 8 minus 0, we get 8. 89 minus 8, the answer is 81. Let me repeat the sums we have completed till now. 79 minus 4, we get 75. 86 minus 3, we get 83. 55 minus 4, we get 51. 98 minus 5, we get 93. 89 minus 8, there comes 81. So if anyone has remaining to complete it with me. I am waiting for some time and then we will move towards next sum. Sum number F 6, 9, 69 minus 7. Minus 7. First, let's solve ones column. There is 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7, we get 2. 6 minus 0, we get number 6 itself. 69 minus 7, we get 62. Leave some space and write sum number G. Eight 85 minus 5. 85 minus 5. First, let's solve the ones column. There is 5 minus 5. We get 0. 8 minus 0, we get 8. 85 minus 5, we get 80. 'Leave some space and write sum number H. $53 minus 2. I'm waiting. Complete the sum. $53 minus 2. First, solve the ones column. There is 3 minus 2. We get 1. 5 minus 0, we get 5. My dear students, this was one part of exercise 7a. In the next lecture, we will continue with the same topic. Now, we are going to learn and write table of 6. Everyone write down 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. Leave one line and then write 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 'Everyone has completed. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. I hope everyone has completed table of 6 with me. So, make practice of subtraction sums as well as make practice of tables 1 to 8. I repeat, you have to prepare tables 1 to 8 at your home, as we already have completed tables till table of 8 at your home. Everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.